wrong? What's wrong? Baby farmer?
There's animals everywhere.
In your house?
It's animals in my house.
What are they doing in your house?
I don't know.
Oh, let's see, what's here?
Cows in the kitchen.
Cows in the kitchen?
Cows in the
Farmer
kitchen.
Ben? Oh, what about here?
Sheep in the living room.
Sheep in the living room.
And your sofa.
Cats on sofa.
Cats on the sofa. Oh.
Oh no, in your bed.
Pigs in the
Farmer
bedroom.
Ben.
Pigs in the bedroom.
Oh no. Oh, and in your bathroom.
Ducks in the bathroom. Quack, quack, quack.
Ducks in the bathroom.
Farmer Ben.
I can't have that.
Goats in the garden. Meh, meh, meh.
Goats in the garden.
What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
I don't know.
Oh no. Okay, well I think we should sing a song.
Okay.
Cows in the kitchen.
Cows in the kitchen.
Moo moo moo.
Moo moo moo.
Cows in the kitchen.
Cows in the kitchen.
Moo moo moo.
Moo moo moo.
What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Sheep
in the
living room.
Ah, everyone.
Sheep in the living room. Ba ba ba. Sheep in the living room. Ba ba ba.
What shall we do, Farmer Ben? What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
I don't
I don't know. Farmer Ben, on your sofa?
Oh no.
Cats! Everyone! Cats
on the sofa.
Meow, meow, meow.
Cats on the sofa!
Meow, meow, meow.
What shall we do, Farmer Ben? What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Oh, Farmer Ben! In your bathroom,
What?
there are
Duck.
ducks!
In my bathroom.
Ducks in the bathroom! Quack, quack, quack! Ducks in the bathroom! Quack, quack, quack! What shall we do, Farmer Ben? What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
I don't
Oh, I
know.
think he's gonna have a nervous breakdown. We better hurry, huh? Oh no! There are pigs
In the
in
bedroom.
your bedroom! Oh my gosh, Farmer Ben, here we go.
Pigs in the bedroom. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs in the bedroom. Oink, oink, oink.
What shall we do, Farmer Ben? What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, he's losing his hair. We better hurry.
I'm
Get these
losing
animals.
my hair and my head.
Okay, ready? Oh no.
Goats in the yard.
Goats in the garden! Goats in the garden, they're eating up all your bushes, Farmer Ben. All your grass, all your flowers. Goats in the garden.
Meh, meh, meh. Goats in the garden.
Meh, meh, meh.
What shall we do, Farmer Ben? What shall we do, Farmer Ben?
I don't know.
Oh, I have an idea.
Let's chase them away.
Ooh, yes. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Idea?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Chase them away!
Shoo, shoo, shoo. Chase them away. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Ah. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Ah.
Oh, this is wonderful!
Ah, look at this.
You got your bed back.
I know.
bathroom.
No pigs anywhere. No ducks.
Good idea,
Duck.
Farmer Ben.
You know what?
Good idea.
There's only one thing is that I'm scared that if I turn my back, they're all gonna come back.
You think so?
No, but I don't think it will happen.
No?
I think
Okay.
as long as I'm here,
Okay.
we're fine. We're fine. Honestly, can I show you the living room and the? Hey, you're there! Hey, shoo, shoo, shoo! Be careful.